The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for Sussex, Delaware, Monmouth, New Jersey, Ocean, New Jersey, Atlantic, New Jersey, Cape May, New Jersey, and Burlington, New Jersey, beginning at 3:30 p.m. January 28, 2022, and ending at 5 a.m. January 29, 2022. What blizzard conditions expected? Total snow accumulations of 10 to 18 inches, winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour, where portions of central and southern New Jersey and southern Delaware, when from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult to impossible. Widespread blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Additional details: snow is expected to begin this evening, with snow becoming heavy after midnight. The most likely time for blizzard conditions is late tonight through midday Saturday. Blizzard conditions are primarily expected at or within a few miles from the coast. Falling snow will diminish west to east Saturday afternoon, but blowing snow may continue into Saturday night. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.